Okay, today for handwriting, we're going to be doing some review of the letters that we've been practicing recently. So if you haven't already, go ahead and find this page in your handwriting book. It should be page 22. If you need a minute to find it, go ahead and pause the video right now. Open up your handwriting book to page 22. Okay, on this page, you'll see that we're going to be reviewing practicing the letter O, C, D, and E. So I'm going to practice review with you here on my whiteboard. Remember that when I start the letter O, I want to start at near the top, and then I want to circle until I touch the top, touch the bottom, and come all the way back around. I want to make sure that my letter O is a nice round circle, not too skinny and not too fat. I want it to make sure that it touches the bottom line and the top line and the bottom line. When I write a lowercase letter O, kind of the same thing. I want to start between the middle and the bottom line. Then I'm going to draw up till I touch the middle line, circle back around, touch the bottom line, and end where I started, just like this. Okay, go ahead and pause the video while you practice writing the letter O on the top line here. After you finish practicing writing the letter O, unpause the video and I'll show you how to do the next one. Okay, next we have letter C. I'm going to start between the middle and the top. I'm going to circle up, circle back around, touch the bottom, and end just above the bottom line. I'm going to do something very similar with the lowercase c. I'm going to start between the middle and the bottom line this time. Circle up, touch the middle line, circle back around, touch the bottom line, and end just above the bottom line, just like that. Go ahead and pause the video while you do the letter C on the second line by yourself. Okay, now that you've finished the letter C, you should be ready to move on to the letter D. The letter D starts at the top line. I'm going to draw a straight line all the way to the bottom, pick up my pencil, come back to the top, circle around until I connect back at the bottom, just like that. I want to make sure that the circle part isn't too fat or too skinny, and I want to make sure that this line is nice and straight. Okay, for a lowercase letter D, I start the same way, start at the top, draw a straight line all the way to the bottom, pick up my pencil, and then I'm going to come to the middle and draw a little curved line around until I meet back at the bottom. Okay, go ahead and pause the video while you practice the letter D in your handwriting book on your own. Okay, and last but not least, we have the letter E. When I practice writing the letter E, I'm going to start at the very top line. I'm going to draw a straight line all the way to the bottom, pick up my pencil, draw a straight line across from the top, pick up my pencil, draw a straight line across from the middle, pick up my pencil again, draw a straight line across the bottom, just like this. I want to make sure that I'm using nice straight lines when I write a capital letter E. Then when I write a lowercase letter E, I'm going to start on the middle line, draw a straight line across, stop my pencil, draw a half circle around, circle back down, touch the bottom, and come back up, just like that. When I'm drawing a lowercase letter E, I want to make sure that I have a nice straight line across the middle and then stop my pencil before starting my curved line around. Okay, lastly, go ahead and practice writing the letter E on this line here. Pause the video while you do it, and then after you have finished writing the letter E, press play to know what to do next. Now that you've finished writing the letter E on your own, you'll see that there is a sentence down here that you need to first trace and then rewrite. Within the sentence, you're going to see all of the letters that we just practiced. Pause the video while you do that on your own. On the back, you'll see a page that looks just like the one you did. If you would like to do more practice, you can complete this one. If you feel good about the way that yours looks right now, you can skip the back page.